Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study really well. First, establish a clear purpose for each study session. This helps you focus and measure progress. Next, find a quiet, organized area where you can concentrate without interruptions. Finally, tackle big assignments by dividing them into smaller, more approachable steps. This makes the learning process less overwhelming and more effective, boosting your confidence as you complete each part. To truly understand and retain information, active engagement is crucial. Don't just passively read. Instead, summarize what you've learned in your own words. A powerful technique is to explain the concepts aloud, as if you're teaching them to a friend. Additionally, utilize tools like flashcards or practice quizzes to test your memory and identify areas needing more attention. This active recall strengthens your understanding significantly. Effective studying isn't just about how you study, but also when and for how long. Try the Pomodoro technique. Focus intensely for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. After 2 or 3 such cycles, reward yourself with a longer break, perhaps 15 to 30 minutes. Also, make it a habit to quickly review notes before and after each class. This consistent engagement reinforces learning and improves retention over time. Your physical and mental well-being are fundamental to effective studying. Prioritize getting 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep every night. It's essential for memory consolidation. Fuel your brain with nutritious meals and stay well hydrated throughout the day. Don't forget to include short bursts of physical activity, even just a 5-minute walk. A healthy body and mind create the best environment for learning and retaining information.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.